In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to change and customize mouse buttons or assignments within Logitech G Hub. So Logitech G Hub, as you see here, is a bit of software from Logitech that allows you to customize the different mice that you use from within the Logitech ecosystem. So you can change the DPI and then obviously assignments for specific keys. If you want to know how to get it, you go to logitech.com. I'll put the link in the description and a pinned comment, and download G Hub for both Windows and Mac OS. Now, once you've downloaded Logitech G Hub and it has gone ahead and noticed which mice or mouse that you have selected or hooked up. As you can see, I have the G502X, which is a wireless mouse. It doesn't really matter. It'll open up with the sensitivity or DPI settings when you open it up. And what you're going to want to do is on the left-hand sidebar, go over to Assignments, which is the addition symbol here. And as you can see, I've went ahead and changed a couple of my assignments. So instead of page left and page right, I go ahead and choose K and J on my keyboard. This is great for gaming, but in order to do this, right here under assignments, you'll have commands, keys, actions, macros, and system. The easiest ones to do would be keys because those are all very easy to understand. So as you can see, if I want to change it from a K to, let's say, a W, I can click and hold the W, drag that to where I want it on the mouse, and as you can see, it will automatically highlight blue. And now whenever I flick the scroll wheel to the left, right here, instead of page left, it will be the W key. So I will actually showcase that now. So if I go here into this here, I will go ahead and just, as you can see, every time I flick the mouse to the left, it's typing a W as opposed to going page left. So again, within the G Hub here, you can just go grab a key you want to assign, drag it over, wait till you see blue, and let go. That will automatically change that. Now, the thing about this is that the G Hub application has to be open. So if you're playing a game and you're like, why isn't it working? You need to have G Hub open. So just open G Hub, minimize it, and you'll be good to go. So again, you can do this with commands like Control Y, Control N. You can do actions like open specific applications. You can do macros. That's not what we're getting into in this video. And then you can do system actions as well. So hopefully this was helpful on showing you how to assign assignments or new keys within G Hub to any of your Logitech capable mice. If you have any questions, put those down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.